In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat while working using a small floating window. If you've ever wished you could keep a conversation visible while you browse, write, or design, this simple workflow will make multitasking much easier. By the end, you'll have your chat neatly popped out into its own compact window so you can stay focused without losing the thread. Start by opening a conversation. Pick the chat you want to keep handy. Maybe it's a project thread, a support exchange, or a quick back and forth you don't want to miss. Make sure the conversation is active and visible on your screen so the controls we need are right where you can reach them. You don't need to start a new chat for this. Any existing conversation works the same way. Next, look for the three-dot menu in the conversation area. This menu is typically shown as a vertical ellipsis, the three little stacked dots, and it's usually located near the top right corner of the conversation header. Think of it as the More Options button for your chat. Give it a click to reveal additional actions related to that conversation. If your window is a bit narrow, the menu might be closer to the title bar of the chat. The key is to find those three dots that indicate more actions are available. From the options that appear, choose Open in a pop-up. The moment you click this, your chat will open in a separate, smaller window. This is your floating chat panel. You can drag it by its title bar to any corner of your screen, resize it to fit your workspace, and keep it visible while you work in other apps or browser tabs. It's a convenient way to glance at new messages, reply quickly, and then return to your main task without switching views. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If the wording looks slightly different, you might see Open in New Window or Pop Out instead. These options do the same thing. Once the pop-up is open, keep it sized just large enough to show recent messages and the input box so it doesn't crowd your main work area. And remember, the pop-up behaves like any other window. You can minimize it when you need more space or bring it to the front when a new message arrives. That's all there is to it. Open your conversation, click the three dots, and select Open in a pop-up. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how smoothly you work and chat at the same time.